Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute. Today we're breaking down the different power modes on the Dongar PRO Plus. Let's go. So what exactly is the Dongar PRO Plus? It's a smart power adapter for your dashcam. Instead of running a cable down to your 12-volt outlet or hardwiring it into your fuse box, the PRO Plus taps into the power connection behind your rearview mirror for a clean plug-and-play installation. Dongar's been making these adapters for years now, and the PRO Plus takes things a step further by giving you more control over how and when your dashcam gets power, especially when the vehicle is parked. And that's what we're going to cover today, the different power modes and what each one actually does. Once the PRO Plus is installed, let's turn the vehicle on. You'll immediately see the red LED light up. This tells us the vehicle is on and the PRO Plus is applying power to our device. In my case, you can also hear the dashcam power up since I have the PRO Plus connected to a Viofo VS1. Now let's take a look at the display. On the home screen you'll see the vehicle's battery voltage, the adapter's output voltage, and the elapsed time. A short press on the action button takes us to the next display. This keeps things nice and simple. Here we're just looking at the vehicle's battery voltage and the adapter's output voltage. One more tap takes us to the third display, and this one's actually my favorite. It gives me the information I care about most, including the current power mode, which in this case is ignition. So how do we change the modes? Press and hold the action button to open the menu. Then toggle over to mode and press and hold the button again to enter. And here we have our four options: ignition, timer, infinity, and energy budget. So what does each one actually do? First up, ignition mode. This is the simple one. Your dashcam turns on when the vehicle is running and shuts off when you turn the vehicle off. It's perfect if you simply want your dashcam recording while you're driving and don't need parking mode. Next up, timer. When you turn the vehicle off, the PRO Plus keeps your dashcam powered for a set amount of time. So if you want parking protected for a few hours without leaving your dashcam running all night, timer mode is the one to use. Then there's infinity mode. This one is designed for maximum parking mode coverage. The PRO Plus continues powering your dashcam while the vehicle is parked and will keep doing so until the system detects that the battery has reached its low voltage cutoff. So basically, maximum coverage with battery protection built in. And finally, we have energy budget mode. This one's a little different. Instead of simply telling the PRO Plus to run your dashcam for a specific amount of time, you can set an energy budget, giving you more control over how much energy your dashcam uses while parked. So to recap, ignition is for everyday driving, timer gives you a set amount of parking protection, infinity gives you maximum parking mode coverage while protecting the battery, and energy budget gives you more control over how much power your dashcam uses. And that's the Dongar PRO Plus modes in a nutshell. Which mode would you use? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching and drive safe, y'all. Peace.